Many new YouTubers have this question. Should we create shorter videos, maybe 2 to 4 minutes, which audience may love more? Or should we create longer videos, maybe around 8 minutes, 10 minutes or higher, which YouTube algorithm may love more? So which is really good? So I'm going to give the complete details with the example so that you get complete clarity. Welcome to Sriram Benur channel. While some of the stats say that 8 to 10 minutes videos are good on YouTube, but let me tell you, by showing you the actual result from two of my channel, both short and long, so that you get an understanding what videos are good for you to create. So let's get started. So I've just logged into one of my channel and A2C Arts and Crafts, and this is one of the video. So the video length here is 3.54, 3 minutes 54 seconds, and you could see this video has got 1.2 crore views, okay, which has gained 17,000 subscribers just with the help of the single video, okay, and you could also see the earning. Now let me also give an idea with respect to a slightly longer video. Now this is again a video in the same channel A2C Arts and Crafts, which is around 17 minutes 43 seconds long. It has got around 74 lakh views, and it has gained over 20,000 subscribers, and it has earned around $6,400. Now first let's compare both of them. Now which one do you feel is really good? So just comment below, which one do you think is really good? Is it the video which is less than 4 minutes, or the video which is around 17 to 18 minutes long? What do you feel? Now if you consider the views wise, maybe you may feel that okay, this video is good. And if you consider with respect to number of subscribers and earnings, you might feel this video is good, right? That's the kind of thought you might get. Why? Because this video has much higher earning compared to the video which is around 4 minutes, correct? Now let me also show you one more video which is slightly longer than this and tell you, is that a good video? Now if I show this is a video from my channel A2Z Construction, which has got around 11 lakh views, and this video is 3 hours 15 minutes, and you could see this video has got around 6,000 subscribers and it has earned around $3,000. So now you might be getting a lot of confusion. Should we go for really short videos or longer videos? Here is the thing. Now your video duration should be as per your content, as per the topic that you have chosen. Now if you see this particular video, now I can't make this video to be 10 minute or 15 minute long. This is a simple video of how to make a foam cutter, and it has to be done within maybe around 3 to 5 minutes. This is not going to take more than that, right? Your content is going to decide the time what your video is going to take. In the same way, can I make this 3 hours 15 minute video to a shorter video? No, it's not possible. Why? Because this video has complete details on how the entire house construction is going to happen, right? Whether you are going to create a 2-minute video or a 20-minute video or a 2 hours video, what is really important is how exactly your content is planned and designed, right? How exactly you are able to hold the audience attention. If your 3 hours video can hold your audience attention, then it is great, as per the content what it should be taking the time. Now to give a small example, say for example, okay, we are going to prepare a video on how to cook rice. Now how to cook rice can be shown in just 2 minutes. Now if I am going to create a video on how to prepare Hyderabadi biryani, now that might require anywhere around 8 to 10 minutes or 15 minutes, right? It's the content or the topic that is going to decide the video duration. Now when you create the video as per the topic and as per the time it is going to take, and if you are able to hold your audience attention, certainly whether you are going to create a 2-minute video or you are going to create a 2 hours video, you are always going to get a good views on that. The only difference that you need to understand is, if your video is more than 8 minutes, there are going to be multiple ads that are going to be played on your video, because of which you see higher earnings for lesser views. Why? Because the watch time is much higher on those videos which are any video which is more than 8 minutes, right? YouTube rule has like where it can play multiple ads in between. So that means the ad can be played at 2 minute, 4 minute, 8 minute, multiple ads, which is going to generate more earning. And any video which is less than 8 minutes, it can have only one ad, because of which the earning is going to be slightly lesser. Now, other than that, there is literally no fixed rule that you should have your video duration to this thing. Okay. If you go to my channel A2C Arts and Crafts, there are videos which are less than 5 minutes, and there are videos which are more than 20 minutes as well, right? It's completely based on the topic that I would have decided. Okay. So think about your topic, okay, and see what exactly is the time that it is going to take and create as per it. But if your videos or if your content or the topic that you have chosen is suitable for creating videos longer than 8 minutes, then it's an advantage for you, where you can have multiple ads that are going to be played in your video, which is going to help you generate more income as well. Thanks for watching. I hope this video was informative. If you want to grow your channel, then just click on this info link to watch complete playlist on how to grow your channel faster. If you're not already subscribed, please do subscribe, hit that bell notification and select all notifications so that you don't miss any informative videos from this channel. See you in the next video. Till then, take good care and bye for now.